leader of the majority party in the county assembly of Meru, and also I represent Mitungu ward. And yesterday I moved a motion for the removal of Governor Kawira Mwangaza from office through impeachment, and I prosecuted my case in the assembly, and the motion was seconded by the minority leader. And we thank God because all the 59 MCAs who were present in yesterday's sitting supported us and voted to approve the motion. Therefore, as it stands now, Governor Kawira Mwangaza has been impeached by the County Assembly of Meru, and we are waiting now to proceed to the Senate, because the Speaker should communicate to the Speaker. The Speaker of the County Assembly should communicate to the Speaker of the Senate within 48 hours or 2 days. And I'm reliably informed that that has been done. And we expect the Speaker of the Senate to summon or to order a special sitting, or maybe there are normal sittings. During their normal sittings, the Speaker of the Senate will communicate to the Senate, and then the Senate will decide if they will hear or they will listen to the charges, either in a special committee, through a special committee, or in a plenary. And our prayer this time round, because during the first impeachment, the Senate opted to go through a special committee. This time round, I'm praying that they prosecute our case in a plenary sitting, so that every senator will have a chance to listen and interrogate the charges that we have charged Governor Kawira Mwangaza with, and make a decision. Because I'm confident that this time round, the counts that we have, the facts that we have, the evidence that we have, is already enough to send Governor Kawira Mwangaza home. Therefore, also my prayer to the Senate would be that let them not take signs until they hear the charges and they see the evidence and the laws that Governor Kawira has contravened. Then maybe they can take charges. But I'm very confident that this time round, Governor Kawira Mwangaza will leave the helm of the position of governor in Meru. And also, my prayer to other leaders, especially women governors, because I've seen them commenting, maybe through their social media pages and also through other channels of communication, that they don't know where the shoe pinches. It is only the wearer of the shoe who knows where it pinches. And us as Marians, personally as a representative of the people, because this motion we brought it to the assembly, after being asked by the public, it was after public outcry that surely Meru is not going in the right direction. They asked us now, the members of the county assembly, you are the only people who can help us to stop this problem, so that we bring back the dignity and the lost glory for Meru. Kindly look for, we already know, we understand Governor Kawira Mwangaza has broken the law. Kindly charge her and take her home. Therefore, I'm asking these leaders outside Meru who are ventilating about this matter, take time, go through the motion, go through the evidence that is there, because now it's a public document. Then maybe after that you can take charge, or you can take signs. I mean, don't play the agenda card that it's maybe we are targeting a